Humanoid robots are starting to appear in the real world. You might have seen the videos online, robots folding laundry, opening doors, or walking around factories. One example is Treadle, a humanoid robot built by Weave Robotics. Right now, it's folding laundry for businesses in the Bay Area, and the company plans to deploy it in hotels soon. Robots already operate in many industries. Amazon warehouses use them, car factories rely on them. Even farms are beginning to automate. But the home is a very different environment. Factories are structured, everything is predictable. Shelves stay in place and tasks repeat in the same way. Homes are the opposite, every home is different. There are pets, kids, clutter, stairs, and objects moving around constantly. A robot falling over in a factory is inconvenient. In a home, it could be dangerous. That's one reason humanoid robots are still rare in everyday life. Still, companies around the world believe robots will eventually enter the home. Unitree in China and 1X in the United States are already building humanoid home robots. One of them is the Neo robot from 1X, which costs about $20,000 and can perform simple tasks like opening doors. But there's a catch. Many humanoid robots today are not fully autonomous. Instead, they are controlled remotely by human operators. In some cases, a person wearing a headset is guiding the robot's actions in real time. So while humanoid robots look impressive, true autonomy is still a long way off. That's why the most successful home robots today are still very simple. Robot vacuum cleaners. They do one job and they do it well. Limited purpose robots have succeeded because the real world is incredibly complex. It's much easier for a machine to master one task than everything in a house. That's also the strategy behind companies like Weave Robotics. Their robot focuses on folding laundry. Today it's deployed in laundromats, and future versions could help tidy hotel rooms and floors. Interestingly, many humanoid robots aren't actually walking on legs. They use wheels instead. Wheels make the system simpler, cheaper, and less likely to fall over. That's also why robot vacuums aren't bipedal. Still, some experts believe the human form will eventually dominate robotics. Our world was designed for humans. Stairs, shelves, and tools are all built around human movement. But today, humanoid robots still struggle with basic tasks. Some early demonstrations have even gone viral when robots fell during presentations. For now, the most practical deployments are happening in factories and warehouses. Companies like Agility Robotics, Figure AI, and Apptronik are testing humanoid robots in logistics and manufacturing. Agility Robotics has been partnering with Amazon for the past 2 years to test its bipedal humanoid robot, Digit, in warehouse operations, focusing on tasks like tote consolidation to improve efficiency. Tesla is also developing its humanoid robot Optimus, while Boston Dynamics is training its Atlas robot inside Hyundai factories. And that is where companies like Xena come in. Because as robotics, AI, and automation expand into physical environments, the real value comes from understanding how technology interacts with real-world behavior. At Xena, we focus on turning behavioral signals and operational data into systems that actually drive outcomes, whether that is automation, commerce optimization, or decision systems. Technology alone is not the advantage. Execution is. For now, many robotics companies rely on teleoperation while collecting data to train their systems. Over time, that data could make robots more autonomous. Some experts believe humanoid robots could become common within 5 years. Others believe it will take more than a decade. The biggest challenges remain dexterity, safety, and reliability. But one thing is clear: humanoid robots are no longer science fiction. They are already working in factories, slowly moving into businesses, and eventually they may enter our homes. The only real question is when.